How do you say hello in French?
Bonjour. Bonjour.
What is the French word for thank you?
Merci. Merci.
How do you say goodbye in French?
Au revoir. Au revoir.
What does
Oui.
mean? Yes. Yes. What is the French word for dog?
Chien. Chien.
How do you say water in French?
Eau. Eau.
What is the French word for apple?
Pomme. Pomme.
How do you say I am in French?
Je suis. Je suis.
What is the French word for school?
École. École.
How do you say good night in French?
Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit.
What does
S'il vous plaît.
mean? Please. Please. How do you say book in French?
Livre. Livre.
What is the French word for house?
Maison. Maison.
How do you say red in French?
Rouge. Rouge.
What is the French word for teacher?
Professeur. Professeur.
How do you say family in French?
Famille. Famille.
What is the French word for car?
Voiture. Voiture.
How do you say I'm sorry in French?
Désolé. Désolé.
What is the French word for cat?
Chat. chat,
How do you say, how are you in French?
comment ça va? Comment ça va?
What is the French word for bread?
Pain, pain,
How do you say to eat in French?
manger, manger,
What is the French word for morning?
matin, matin,
How do you say see you later in French?
à tout à l'heure, à tout à l'heure,
What is the French word for street?
rue, rue,
How do you say friend in French?
ami, ami,
What does
je t'aime,
mean? I love you. I love you. What is the French word for door?
porte, porte,
How do you say I don't understand in French?
je ne comprends pas, je ne comprends pas,
What is the French word for flower?
fleur, fleur,